Part 6. Yield Farming Strategies. Maximize your returns in DeFi. Imagine waking up and seeing your crypto portfolio growing, without actively trading, without sitting at your computer all day. While most people chase the next hype token or gamble on meme coins, a small group of investors are quietly stacking rewards, compounding their gains, and multiplying their holdings. The secret? Yield farming. But before you jump in, know this. If you don't have the right strategy, you'll either make pennies or get wrecked by hidden risks. Introduction to yield farming. Yield farming isn't just staking your tokens and hoping for the best. It's a calculated game of liquidity, rewards, and maximizing returns while managing risks. At its core, you're providing liquidity to DeFi protocols and getting rewarded with interest, governance tokens, or additional yield incentives. But here's where things get interesting. Not all farms are created equal, and some will drain your portfolio faster than you think. So how do you play this game smart? By using strategic farming techniques that balance risk and reward while taking full advantage of compounding. Let's break it down step by step. 1. The power of stablecoin farming. Low risk, steady gains. The biggest mistake new farmers make? Chasing high APYs without understanding volatility. If you're looking for consistent, predictable yield, stablecoin farming is where you start. Platforms like Aave, Curve, and Convex Finance allow you to deposit stablecoins, USDT, USDC, DAI, and earn anywhere from 5% to 20% APY without exposure to market crashes. The trick? Use platforms that offer additional incentives like bonus governance tokens. Leverage protocols with deep liquidity to avoid impermanent loss. Reinvest your rewards automatically using auto-compounders like Yearn Finance or Beefy. You won't get 1000% APYs here, but what you do get is reliable, stress-free passive income. 2. High-yield altcoin farms. Maximize rewards, minimize risk. For those willing to take on higher risk for bigger rewards, altcoin farms offer much higher APYs. But there's a catch. Impermanent loss and token inflation can eat away your profits if you don't play it right. Here's how to farm altcoins the smart way. Pick tokens with strong fundamentals. Avoid farm tokens with weak liquidity or high emissions. Pair your assets strategically. Instead of farming a random token, use pairs like ETH, USDC, or BNB AVAX to reduce exposure to devaluation. Harvest and reinvest wisely. Don't let rewards sit idle. Convert a portion into stablecoins or blue-chip assets to secure profits while keeping exposure. Example: farming on PancakeSwap with Cake BNB earns you high rewards, but the key is compounding at the right intervals to maximize gains. 3. Auto-compounding vaults, the set-and-forget strategy. Want hands-free farming? This is where auto-compounding vaults come in. Platforms like Yearn Finance, Beefy Finance, or AutoFarm do the heavy lifting for you by automatically reinvesting your rewards. This dramatically increases your yield over time compared to manually harvesting. The difference? A farm offering 80% APY might actually net you over 200% APY with auto-compounding. The earlier you start, the more exponential your gains become. But be careful. Always check withdrawal fees and vault sustainability before depositing. 4. Leveraged yield farming. Supercharge your gains with caution. For advanced users, leveraged yield farming lets you borrow against your assets to multiply your farming position. This can double or triple your returns, but it's also a double-edged sword. Platforms like Alpaca Finance, Francium, and Taro allow you to borrow funds against your deposits. Farm with increased exposure to higher APYs. Use multiple layers of compounding to accelerate profits. Warning: over-leveraging can lead to liquidation if token prices drop suddenly. Always maintain a healthy loan-to-value (LTV) ratio and have a risk management exit plan. 5. Avoiding the biggest yield farming mistakes. Most farmers lose money because they overlook key risks. Here's how to avoid the biggest traps. Impermanent loss. Happens when one asset in your liquidity pair moves significantly. Use stablecoin pairs or hedging strategies to reduce risk. Protocol risk. Smart contract bugs and rug pulls are real. Always use trusted, audited platforms and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Token inflation. Many farm tokens lose value over time. Take profits frequently and don't hold farm rewards forever. Six, advanced farming strategies for maximum returns. For those who want next-level optimization, these strategies can take your yield farming to the next tier. Farming on multiple chains. Don't limit yourself to Ethereum. Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon, and BSC often offer lower fees and higher incentives. Layered farming. Stake farm rewards in secondary yield platforms to double dip on rewards. Example: earn cake from PancakeSwap, then stake cake in another protocol for extra yield. Liquidity migration. Shift capital between farms as incentives change to always chase the highest, safest yields. Mastering these techniques ensures you're maximizing returns while managing risk effectively. Final words. Yield farming isn't just about throwing money into pools and hoping for the best. It's a strategic game that rewards the smart, the patient, and those who manage risk correctly. If you want steady passive income, start with stablecoin farming. If you want higher APYs, explore altcoin farms and auto-compounding vaults. If you're experienced and willing to take risks, leveraged yield farming can amplify your gains, but only if done responsibly. Play it right, and you'll watch your crypto stack grow like never before. Final section, wrapping up the series. This video marks the final part of the series on earning passive income with cryptocurrency. If you've been following along, you now have a complete toolkit to grow your portfolio without mining or active trading. Here's a quick recap of everything we've covered. How to stake cryptocurrency. Beginner's guide to earning rewards. Secure networks and earn staking rewards. Liquidity mining explained. Earn crypto while providing liquidity. Provide liquidity and earn fees plus incentives. Top 3 play-to-earn games to start earning crypto. Use gaming to generate crypto income. Earn interest with crypto lending. Is it worth it? Lend out assets and collect interest. What are crypto airdrops? How to get free tokens. Get free tokens just by being in the right place at the right time. Yield farming strategies. Maximize your returns in DeFi. Leverage liquidity pools for maximum returns. Each method offers different levels of risk and reward, and by combining them strategically, you can build a sustainable passive income stream in crypto. See you in the next one.